thanks for watching. So in today's video, we're opening up the Allure beauty box for September, and this is the last time Allure will be $15 a month. If you guys missed my last video, I talked about this a little bit more, but Allure beauty box is increasing their price to $23 a month starting in October, so next month. I'll link my video from last month down below if you want to check that out. So yeah, I'm curious to see what it will be like next month. I guess we're supposed to get more like full-size items in a higher value. But anyways, I will link Allure beauty box down below and that video I mentioned. So today, before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get back to Allure. So I haven't seen any spoilers, like I haven't watched anyone else's videos or unboxings yet. But I'm curious what this box will be like since it's the last one before the price increase. I wonder if it'll be like kind of bad. They just like threw it together before they like got it to be really good with $23 a month. I don't know, we'll see. But when I open it up, this is what it looks like usual. There is a card on top with a pretty model. And on the inside, it will talk about what we get. And really it just tells you like why the editors chose the items inside. So we'll get at least 2 full-size items in this box. And here is a sneak peek. Let's get started. Ooh, I'm gonna grab the first thing I noticed. I actually just finished one I had prior, like a week ago. This is by Elemis and it's their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And this is not full size, this is deluxe size, but mine lasted me a while. I always like to do a double cleanse at night when I have makeup on or SPF, or really pretty much every night I try to unless I'm super lazy. And this is a good first cleanse. And this is expensive. I mean the full size is at least. So the full size is $64. And in here we get 20 grams or 0.7 US ounces. So yeah, this lasted me at least 2 months I would say, so I'm happy to have it again. Well, it looks like we have a brush here by e.l.f. You know what, when I first got into makeup like a while ago, I had several e.l.f. brushes. They're super affordable and they're good quality too. So if you're like just starting out with like makeup and want to get brushes that aren't like breaking the bank, e.l.f. is really good for that. And this is the e.l.f. highlighting brush, so let me get it out. I'm excited. I haven't tried one of their brushes. Well, I used their stippling brush that they discontinued. I guess they have a smaller size now, but I use that for blush pretty much every day. So this is what it looks like. Feels really nice. So for highlight. And this would be considered full size. It's $4. And they say this is good for powder highlight. But really you can use brushes however you want. So I'm excited to start using that. And I guess this counts as one of the full size items. $4. Oh, next up is a mascara. I used to love this. I haven't had it in a while. This is definitely full size. It's by Wander Beauty and it's their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And I did really like this back in the day. And this was before I found my true love, the one and only Thrive Cosmetics mascara that I seem to have to mention like every single video. But I do think this is a good one. I'm pretty sure this is like $26 or something like that. $24, I was close. So definitely more than what I paid for the box, so that's cool to get it in here. And it looks like there may be another full-size item, so let's open this next. This is by Cleo Noir. I've never heard of this brand. And this is a twist-up eyeliner, and it doesn't say the shade name on the box. I'm guessing it's in black. Oh, actually I think it might be in purple. Can you see that? I hope so. Yay, it is. This is a twist up. I'm so glad it's not in black. I have way too many black eyeliners I never use, but I do like colored like gel eyeliners for my waterline, and this is a really pretty purple color. I've been loving doing purple eye looks lately too, so I'm super excited that this is in the box. It went on nice, it's pretty, yay. Let's see, so this is $18. And next up, I'm pretty sure I have this already, but I haven't used it. This is a dry conditioner, and this is by Waterless. I feel like I got this in like the last ever Target beauty box maybe. So yeah, it's not like a dry shampoo, it's for like the ends of your hair, so it conditions it and like helps with frizz and stuff like that. And what I really like about this is if you're like on third day hair, like it'll help with what I just said, but also it'll make your hair smell good too. So this is definitely deluxe size. And I think this is an extra because I don't see it really listed on here besides like an advertisement on the back. So yeah, I'm happy to have this. And next we have a little guy here by La Roche-Posay. This is their 50 Face Broad Spectrum 50 Mineral Light Fluid Sunscreen. It has a matte finish, non-whitening, and it's 100% mineral UV filters. Wow, if it doesn't have a white cast, that's great because mineral sunscreens tend to do that. And this is made with Celox Shield, whatever that is. And let's see, so I'm always happy to get SPF products. I think I say that every time I open one. So it's a little guy, but this would be good to like keep in your bag too if you're like out and you need to reapply or something like that. And the full size of this would be $33.50. And then we have one item left, and it is by Glam Up. It's Soothing Aloe Texture Refinement Sheet Mask. It seems like we always get like one sheet mask in Allure, at least in the most recent boxes. So this is made of Soothing Aloe. It's supposed to help soothe dry skin and provide intense hydration, and you just use it like a normal sheet mask. And this was, oh, it actually just tells you how much it is for a pack. So if you want a pack of 10, it's $14.20. And it looks like this was a variation item. I obviously got the aloe one, but you could have gotten the Japanese sake sheet mask. And I think I saw another variation. So when I opened the e.l.f. brush, you could either have gotten this e.l.f. highlighting brush or a NYX Pro contour brush. Oh, and the NYX brush is $14. NYX is going up in price lately, doesn't it seem so? Yeah, so that was everything. So I think overall this was a good box, and I'll be honest, it's a little bit better than I expected it. I don't know, I just thought maybe like they wouldn't have put a bunch of effort in their like last $15 box and focused on like their up and coming like changes. But we got, you know, mascara, and that is expensive. It's not what I'm the most thrilled about because, you know, my Thrive Cosmetics mascara is the best. Brush and a mask. I guess these would be like considered full-size items. Oh, and the purple liner. Okay, I think I'm the most excited about getting this eyeliner by Cleo Noir. And again, I love trying new brands. It's such a pretty purple color. And then also the Elmer's, the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And I really like this too because it doesn't contain polyethylene or plastic like a lot of balms do, and it's expensive, so I would never buy it on my own. So yeah, those are my two favorite, but overall, yeah, I'm happy with this box. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth paying $15 a month. I'm so curious to see what next month is going to be like. I know a lot of people cancel. They're really upset with the price change because it's like a big jump, you know, $15 to $23. But yeah, I'm gonna continue and see what it's like, so stay tuned for that. But I would love to know, are you guys still subscribed to Allure? Are you excited about the changes? Are you upset? Please leave a comment down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And thank you so much to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn about channel membership, there's always a link down below that will let you know the perks, and you can join there as well. There's two tiers. The first one is $1.99 and the second tier is $4.99 a month. And in the second tier, we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. There's not too many of us, so we get to chat and get to know each other a lot better, and there's always giveaways. It's actually live stream week this week, so I'm thinking we're streaming either Wednesday or Thursday. If you guys are interested in joining, I would love it. I would love to get to know you better. But if not, that's okay. Just by being here and watching is super supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, thanks again for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.